In this video today, we're going to be learning how to make a very simple bag with your leftover fabric. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Don't forget to give me your comments and your feedback. So to make this bag, I'm going to measure out from this point about 23 inches for the width, and for the length I'm using 14 inches. Okay, now I already gummed a hair stay on the fabric. All right, so you can actually use a hair stay on the fabric, or you can actually place the hair stay on the lining, whichever works for you. So with this rectangular shape, now I'm going to sew round and I'm going to just leave one side open. Okay, you're going to see it. I'm going to sew round the three sides. I'm just going to leave one side open, and that will be one of the sides along the width. I'll just show you how it looks now. So this is it. I sewed round and I left this side open because I'll be turning it over with this. This bag is very simple to make, and the most interesting part is that you use leftover fabrics to make it. When you're done sewing a gown and you have leftover fabric, you can imagine with just 23 inches you could make a very little fine bag that will match your outfit. Okay, so I just folded it into two this way, and then I'll go ahead and measure from one end. I'll measure from one end, and then I'll show you. I'll measure 2 inches from one end and then 2 inches from the other end. Okay, and then I'll go up by 1 inch. Once I measure 2 inches and then go up by 1 inch, the same thing for this part. 2 inches, I'll mark it, and then I'll go up by 1 inch. All right, and then I'll form a square. Let it be facing the outer part of this bag. Okay, now these marked places, I'm going to quickly cut them out. I'll cut each of them out, and this is how it looks. So I'll cut out the hand, okay, the handle of the bag, and I'm just folding it. I just cut till about 4 inches so I can fold it. You can also put a hair stay inside. You can put anything, maybe a boner. You can use a boner, but I just decided to just use mine like that, and this is how it looks. So I just folded it in and I'll be stitching on it, but before I stitch on it I have to make sure that they are equal. Okay, and how do I ensure that? I have to measure out on each of the sides 4 inches. You can go in by more, it depends on what you want your bag to look like. So I just measured 4 inches and I'll place my fabric on this part. All right, then I will stitch on it and double stitch on them both. Okay, and I'll do that for the other side as well. It's very easy. Okay, now when I'm done putting the hand, I will stitch the sides, but let me be done with the hand first. I will mark it on the other side as well. I will stitch these handles this way, and that's it. So while I'm at this, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to Lex V Designs and turn on your notification bell so every time I upload a video you'll be notified. Okay, and so that other people can also know that we're doing something here at Lex V Designs. So thank you. So you can see what I did first. I stitched on the front first before I now came back to stitch on the back. Okay, I'll just please, I hope you saw that. Okay, before I will stitch on, I will have to stitch the front side first before I turn it and stitch the back, so it comes out very neat. The aim of doing this is to have a very neat finishing. Okay, so I will stitch on the front side just like I did with the sides. I will stitch on this side first, and then I will turn back and then stitch on it again. Okay, let me just stitch on this again so you can understand. So I just run my thread, and I can't leave it like this, if not the bag will look tacky. But like this, I've already stitched it in. I'll press it inside, then stitch the inside. Okay, you understand? I hope you get. Right, so this is it. So at the in the front you can't see the rough edges, and at the back you still can't see the front edges. And that's all for this bag. You can see how fine and simple it is to make, and you can do that with your fabrics, leftover fabric. So thank you for watching, thank you for staying tuned. Bye.